Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to set up a Vanguard S&P 500 investment. If you're looking to build long-term wealth through a simple, low-cost index fund, this is perfect for you. The Vanguard S&P 500 fund tracks the performance of the top 500 U.S. companies, making it a favorite for beginners and pros alike. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the steps in just a few minutes. First things first, head over to the Vanguard website. It's straightforward. Go to Vanguard.com and look for the Open an Account button. You'll need to decide on the type of account, like a brokerage account for investing or an IRA for retirement savings. If you're new, they'll guide you through a quick questionnaire to match your goals. Once you're on the site, click to start the account setup process. You'll provide some basic info, like your name, address, social security number, and employment details. Don't worry, it's secure. Vanguard is known for its top-notch protection. After that, verify your identity, which might involve a quick email or phone confirmation. Now, for the fun part, funding your account. Link your bank account or transfer money directly. Vanguard makes this easy with options like ACH transfers or even wire transfers if you're dealing with larger amounts. Aim to start small if you're a beginner. Maybe $1,000 or whatever fits your budget. Next, search for the S&P 500 fund. Look for symbols like VFIAX for the Admiral shares or VOO for the ETF version. Once you find it, decide how much to invest and place your order. Set it up as a one-time purchase or automate contributions for consistency. That's key to long-term success. Finally, keep an eye on your investment through Vanguard's dashboard. Remember, the stock market has ups and downs, so invest for the long haul and diversify if possible. That's it. You're now invested in the S&P 500. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Let's build that wealth together. Thanks for watching.